Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Ferniak. We're gonna learn some new rifle spins today. Let's go. Two-handed spin. Here's what it looks like. Looks complicated. Here's how to do it. So your hand placement for a two-handed spin is very similar to the flag time and a half spin. We're gonna start from our regular attention position. We're gonna take our left hand off. We're gonna go upside down. And you're going to be ready to catch the rifle when it comes around. We're going to take the rifle, we're going to rotate it around so that the tip end is up and the butt end is down. So since my hand is here, I'm going to grab, both hands are upside down. Okay? So I'm going to check my hands while I'm here, make sure both hands are upside down. Going to take my right hand off, going to rotate it around so the rifle is upside down this way. And so both of my hands are going the same direction. Now this is like match hands if you're doing a time and a half spin. Gonna take my left hand off again, gonna rotate around. So now the butt end is up, the tip end is down. So I'm gonna grab upside down over here, and then we're gonna rotate around so we come back to attention position. So the rifle's pointing up, check my hands. The rifle's upside down and pointing to the right side, check my hands. The rifle's pointing down, check my hands. And then back to ready position, check my hands. If you don't have a practice rifle at home, you can practice hand placement with a baseball bat. So we're just going to start with your baseball bat at a ready position of some sort. We're going to rotate it so your baseball bat is straight up and down. Grab it upside down. We're going to rotate again so your baseball bat is flat. Rotate it, this time my handle is up, and then rotate again back to where I started from. So as you practice, start nice and slow. Check your hands, check your hands, check your hands, check your hands. And then you can start flowing it together. Notice it's going to take you 4 counts to get the rifle back to where it started from. Because you're pointing up, you're pointing to the side and upside down, you're pointing down, and then you get back to where you started from. When you're ready to start marching with it, start at a half count. So give 2 counts to each move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go nice and slow to start with. And then once you're feeling confident, then you can take it up to tempo. You can take it up to speed for 1 count for each move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If your hands get tangled, just stop, check your hand placement, start over again, slow yourself down, just check your hand placement as you go. Next spin is called top bottoms. Here's what they look like. They look like this. That looks really confusing. Here's how to do it. So start from ready position. I'm going to take my left hand off. I'm going to use my right hand to rotate the rifle. I'm going to stretch up over my head. You can see my hand is twisted around as far as it can go. It can't possibly go any further. So once I get here and my rifle's going straight across, I'm going to grab on the tip end with my left hand, let go with your right. That way you can untwist your hand. Now to come down from here, we're going to rotate up this way. And we're going to bring this down. And again, this is about as far as my wrist is going to let the rifle go. So when I'm down here, now I can bring it around the rest of the way and grab it with my right hand again. So you want to stretch up over your head, grab with your left hand, and then let it spin around and grab with your right hand. So you're going to go to the top, and you're going to go to the bottom. Let it swing up. Let it swing around. Baseball bat style. Rotate up, rotate down. Rotate up, rotate down. So up to the top, and then as it's coming down, it's almost going to feel like you want to put this in the crook of your arm. That's the idea that you're going for. It's going to feel weird, But as you get it up to speed, the momentum of the spin will help that rifle come back around into your ready position. Again, practice this nice and slow. Give it a half tempo to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you're going baseball bat style, just practice hand placement. Again, rotate up, stretch up over your head, rotate down, rotate up, rotate down. Best you can, since this is not weighted like a real rifle. Once you're feeling confident with the half tempo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you can speed it up to full tempo. So 1 count for each hand placement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you really stretch up over your head, because if you're doing your top bottoms just in front of you, it's going to look like a really messed up backwards two-handed spin. That's not what we want. We need to see the difference between a two-handed spin and a top bottom. So make sure you're really getting your hands up there. And then, of course, we're going to march with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're all done with your spin, you're probably going to be in some sort of configuration with both hands on the rifle, so just bring your left hand back to attention position. I hope you're all safe and healthy and having a great summer. Happy spinning. Bye, everybody.